wanted to show you how to get annotations to show up on Solidworks. First, the reason that we want to do that is to be able to see the annotations for an object. So we can go right click on annotations and say show feature dimensions, and then you can see those feature dimensions. Okay, so how do we get that showing up there? You click on the top item in the feature design manager, right click, hidden tree items, hide show tree items. That'll give you system options. I was looking around in here during class, but I did not go to the right place. It's in feature manager. If you scroll down, you'll see all these items, and we just want to click this from hide to show. Mine already says show because I can see it here. But again, that is right click on this top item, hidden tree items, hide show tree items, and scroll down. You can also get to it by clicking on the options box, system options tab, and then feature manager, and scroll down again to annotations. Don't forget to click OK when you're done changing that setting. And there you go.